Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Queen's TV. If you're watching my video for the very first time, you're warmly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always stopping by. So, guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you've not liked, like this video and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a two-in-one mask. Why do I say two-in-one mask? Because it also serves as a scalp because you need to it's also necessary to scrub your scalp. It also kind of relaxes the hair muscles follicles to promote hair growth, and it cleans up builds up on the hair. And also this mask is also a hair growth and moisturizing mask because of the important properties of fenugreek seed and black seed. So guys, if you're interested to see what we have today, please keep watching. One more thing, please, this mask leaves flakes in the hair. So if you are not patient to wash your hair thoroughly, please do not use this mask. Do not make this mask. I would advise you to just use the fenugreek oil or black seed oil. I have black seed oil on my channel. You can check that out. So what you will need is 1 cup of mixture of fenugreek and black seeds. So fenugreek is very good when it comes to hair growth, and flaxseed too has amazing rich properties for hair growth. So you just get your pot, put in your fenugreek seeds. This is actually a mixture, so mix fenugreek and flaxseed in equal portions. And then we have oatmeal. Oatmeal is also very amazing for moisture, hair growth, and softness. Oatmeal is good. So we have 3/4 cup of oatmeal. Now put some water. You just put enough water, as much as possible, because flaxseed is slimy. Oatmeal is also slimy. And sorry, not flaxseed, fenugreek. Fenugreek is slimy. So you just put enough water. You see, as it's boiling, you notice it's really slimy because fenugreek is slimy, oatmeal too is slimy when you cook them. So you just make sure that it's been well cooked and a little bit soft. Then you can blend. I will also advise you can as well soak this in water overnight. The flaxseed, I'm sorry, the fenugreek seed. I use flaxseed a lot. The fenugreek seed in water overnight, and the fenugreek and the black seed overnight before boiling. That's also another option. And then just get your sieve and then sieve this. You can also use a cheesecloth, preferably a cheesecloth, then lesser flakes. But with the sieve, I think you have more flakes, because I wanted to really scrub my scalp. As I said at the beginning, this is a scrub and deep conditioning mask, like a two-in-one cold conditioning mask. So guys, this is the leftover. I have to throw that away, and what we are going to use is this is what I'm going to apply with my hair. Guys, this is a real mess. Look at that. Like, it's so dry. I always section my hair. I don't like leaving my hair like that because it tangles up so fast. Don't mind how you see sometimes my hair looks so manageable, so soft, and you think, oh god, her hair is so good. You see this is what happens behind closed doors. Sometimes my hair is like that. I need to constantly take care of it for it to look good. But normally, you know how nappy our natural hair is. So guys, don't be deceived. You just need to take proper care of your hair. If not, it looks crazy. That's what happens. That's how my hair looks like when it's dry. But never mind. After applying this, we did this. If you did not watch the beginning of this video, we did this already. This is what I did, and you would love this. Bye. Look at that. So I start by scrubbing my scalp. As I said at the beginning of the video, it's really necessary to scrub your scalp once in a while because this exfoliates the scalp and it also eradicates chemical buildups. All this promotes hair growth. So basically, growing of your hair doesn't necessarily mean you need to apply stuffs on your hair. No, it just the methods you use in protecting your hair from damage, from breakups, from hair falling off. That actually promotes hair growth. So it kind of maintains a constant growth. It's not more about all those things you put on your hair. So scrubbing your scalp exfoliates the scalp and it promotes hair growth. So I hope you guys can put this in your routine. There are most common hair scrubs like sugar scrub, coffee scrub, which you can just apply on your scalp and scrub very well. But I call this concoction of mine a two-in-one because it serves as a scrub and also as a hair mask. But you need to be extra patient when washing it out. If you don't want to be patient or if you won't have that time, please don't do this. Now that everything has been applied, that is it. Everything has been applied. And thank you so much guys for watching to this point. Give this video a like, please subscribe, like this video, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here, but bye, love you all. Mwah.